Hello everybody and welcome. Exam coach, my name is James Davey and I'm ready to rock and roll. We're going to have a great session today. Tricky vocab, defining them. We are ready to, all right, I'll stop boxing. Adam, Arian, Nazia, James, Emily, Philip, Mila, Hania, Selena, Ashraf. Good to have a lot of you here. Everybody's ready to go. Tricky vocabulary taster. Super duper. Go for it in the chat. Word is the shortest. Then we have a sentence. Questions. There might be a few questions. Vocab testing. Dive into that Zoom chat if you have any questions. Gonna pop a poll. Poll is basically a thing that comes up on the screen. Go for it. Crack on. Get stuck in. Have a super time. You just learn it. Lovely stuff, everybody. We gotta commit. We gotta focus. This is 25 minutes because you need to push yourself. Super work, guys, and take notes, please. Top notch. Pick up a pen. Let's rock and roll. Is that if you want to be a good student, you have to be the hardest worker in the room. You have to be consistent. You got to do it every day. Work hard. Be consistent. Have a positive attitude. You will be an amazing student. Let's go. Gold medal. Well done. Lovely, lovely, lovely stuff. Get involved and let's do some learning. Synonyms, antonyms. Get these down and we will move swiftly on. Superb work. Pop a bowl. And here we go. Pop the bowl. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Roll out of here. Love this. Super stuff. It's absolutely huge. Pop a bowl. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Super stuff. You have great potential. Huge amounts of potential. Okay, synonyms, antonyms. Post, and pop a poll. Let's roll. Super stuff. Superb. Habiba. 4th place. Well done. All right, guys. Synonyms. It's beautiful. Antonyms. Super bowl. Thank you. I hope you're having a good time, everybody. Here we question time. I've been a bit silly. We've tested ourselves. You get it inside the old noggin. Just test, and test again. Let your parents know. Give them a thumbs up. Say, look, this is good. We do also give out my notes so you can then revise and review and look through things again. It was super being with you today. It's been fantastic. Thank you, Anch. Thank you, Habiba. Thank you, Adoska. Ashraf, thank you for the burger, the hot dog, the chips, 2 more hot dogs, some kebabs, some pizza, and a slice of toast. What a session. Super work. Work hard, be consistent, have a positive attitude. If you know those 3 things, you can do whatever you want in your education. Have a top one, guys, and I'll see you next time. See you later.